What's going on, boys? NC boys here. We're doing squatter truck activities today. Oh yeah. Yo, we got the PA set up back here.
Bitch, I got it out the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle?
Alright. Yeah, we got the PAs going back there now, but yo, you boys can hear how loud that is.
10 funds outside, bitch, I feel like Big Me.
It's so loud, bro. It's so loud, I swear, dude. Yo, what's going on, boys? NCTV. Yo, squatter truck activities, second day because we didn't finish filming yesterday.
We're gonna go somewhere and hit the box.
Yeah, we're gonna go up to DR Wells and see what's going on up there. We got the palm trees and everything. Now these little trees are moved to the middle. They used to be spread out, but these will expand, guys. Right, Nathan?
Yep.
Four in it. All right, boys. We are flying. You can't even see anything. I forgot to turn flash on, but window's halfway down. Now we're gonna go hit the box somewhere, boys. Woohoo! Oh yeah, there we go. Yo, boys, we turning into GCA right now. Kind of packed down here, not gonna lie. Got Southern Marsh up there. Got the straights on here. Uh-oh.
Why are there so many people down here?
Yeah, guys, if you haven't noticed, we got his name back there. Actually, yeah, you guys do know. From the other day when we filmed that. We got a practice or game going on down there at those fields. More practice down there.
Dude, I hope there's no right down.
You got some new little trees up here. Yeah, we're about to go hit the limiter down here. This is a little bit risky, but we're about to go hit the limiter. It's all the way down here in this little cove. Look at this. This is cool looking though. Oh, it's a bunny.
Oh my.
Yo! Hey, get out of the way, man. Oh yeah, perfect little spot to hit the
We're
box.
gonna do it right here.
Right here? Alright,
Yeah.
hold on, let me get out and film.
Alright.
What the heck? Oh, it's on the Oh, whoa! Alright, we're gonna hit the box. Alright. He said film from the back. This guy's gonna be so loud, bro.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, beat the box. Oh my gosh, bro.
Alright, get it. We gotta get
Oh,
out.
that does not smell good. Holy crap. Yo, give me the seatbelt, man. Gosh.
I'm gonna do a quick donut.
Yeah.
Dude, that.
Yeah, he's gonna do a quick donut, boys. There's a bunch of people over there, bro. Hit him with it. Hit him with it. I don't know, it's up to you. Him. Yo, look at all the dust, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's so bouncy. Alright, now we gotta kind of get out of here because that was a little risky. There's some four-wheeler trail done that way. I'm gonna roll the window back down. We need some tent, guys. My goodness. Fish box out here. Got some practice going on. Oh my, he's hitting it over the... He hit it over the thing. Over the net. Clean pile, low-key. Oh, we got Trump up there, bro. Oh, we gotta film this takeoff on the road. A food truck. What is that?
Alright, film these people and see if we get there next.
Got some old guy's neck. Dude, look at this tent, guys. Oh my god. Now we got a tip back there though. A plus on the 10 drop, low key. All you can see is the lights. And that one you can see. Come on, bud. Come on. Gotta hit us with the red light. This guy has to go. You.
Get in
Yo,
the back.
Nathan! Nathan, you still walking back?
Get in the back. Get in the bed.
Hurry up.
Bro, oh my god.
There's a car behind you, bro. There's two.
Hurry up.
There's
dude.
2 cars.
Open it.
God damn it, dude.
Oh, get this thing out of the way. That white thing.
You are not important. Don't go around.
She flipped us off.
Really?
Yo, she for real flipped us off. Dude, that minivan flipped us off. I
We
swear.
could not win a mini.
I think I got that on camera too. We gotta check that back.
we should follow them.
Swear, dude, they flipped us off. The girl and the passenger. Come on, man. We didn't even do anything.
It's probably fat.
Mason, were you really walking back just from there? Jeez, dude, we weren't even gone that long, were we?
Should we follow
Oh, my
them?
boy hit the rim with her and it was bouncing on 6.
Really?
Yes, bro, I got it on video. Where's Zach at? Yo, we gotta get back, though.